We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns video, smash that like button, tell me when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with PHUN, Funware Inc., and it's actually looking very interesting in the charts based off of 42 vision. We're going to break it all down here on the 30-minute and the 1 day. But before we do, I would like to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. We look for opportunities like these every single day, and if you want to get in on early, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We're going to jump right into it here as we see PHUN, everything about it. You won't want to miss this, and you definitely want to stick around because this is some exciting news to see what is going on in the charts to possibly present itself as an opportunity. So the home run opportunity was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you want to get on early on opportunities like these, we look for them every single day. You're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one gave us realistic expectations of 5 to 10%, 10 to 20%, but one of them turned out to be way beyond expectations, out of the park home run, way beyond 20%. And here is the chart. We caught this one early and it was sitting at around 118, 119 when I mentioned it, and it was sitting there in the pre-market pulling downwards, and from that moment forward after the bell it started to take off. In a matter of minutes, in the first 30 minutes, it jumped up nearly 50% plus, pulled back down, and continued that route to give us a highest point of 250% plus on the day, guys. And then when it dipped and ripped again, it gave another 50% plus opportunity. If this is something you want to become part of, check out the link down below in the description. We look forward to having you join us, and we look for opportunities like these every single day through the volatility of the market, and we look to maximize on the opportunities using 42 vision. Let's jump into these charts. So this is a stock that we mentioned way back here in the pre-market on the day that it went from literally $5 and some change all the way up towards $24, came back down, and I mean, it just had so much strength. And on 42 vision, it was pretty clear here to watch it in the after hours. The next day it took off again, nearly doubling, and since then it's just been in pure weakness. But something has shown up here on 42 vision on the 30-minute that is showing a possible leveling off, like it's trying to find a bottom for a possible reversal or dead cat bounce. That's what you would call it if it happens really fast and then just goes right back down, or a possible true reversal. It wouldn't be a dead cat bounce, and it would do a staircase effect, trying to bring itself back up to newer levels and new resistance levels. But right now the stock is in the fours, and this right here is a key level to be watching in 42 vision based off the 30-minute. But when we go over to the 1 day, right, you could see here how there's been a huge transition from the candlesticks in that bright green all the way down towards dark green and a red border, and volume as well has been red. So that is super important to be watching on these candlesticks on the 1 day. If this transition continues, well, then this is a leveling off and might try to bring itself back up. But if volume and strength does not come with it in these levels on the 30-minute or even the 1 hour, if you look at it, then this is going to be a point where, yes, it tries to come back up. It might have a dead cat bounce and quickly continues to go down lower as volume continues to go weaker. But there's one key thing I noticed in today's price action that is different from yesterday's and the other days, and the main thing is the volume, right? And this is what we want to see go up higher than today and higher than the average 10-day volume, and that is 113, the average 10-day volume. Today's volume was a little bit higher, and that's 125. That's how this slope here of leveling off slightly formed, and if it could hold up going higher than the average 10-day volume or even higher than today's volume, but not be outflow, if not inflow, it can probably try to gap back up or have a quick run. If it's quick and it goes right back down like it did right here, that's what you would consider a dead cat bounce. This is the opportunity now to be watching it, and for those that are holding it or trying to go long, this is going to be great news for those investors watching and actually trying to see if this goes back up to 7, back up to 10, back up to 12. It's not guaranteed, but this is a stock you definitely want to be watching going into tomorrow if it's going to explode based off of the charts alone. Now, if you go in more zoomed in to the 15-minute, you could see the times that it's fought to try to come back up. If you go to the 5-minute, it's had its moments of running up a few cents, coming back down a few cents, running up a few cents. So we need to see this actually reverse and not continue this downward trend. But when you look at it from the bigger picture, it has seemed to kind of level off. And if it can consolidate here or just start the momentum back up, it's going to come up with strength really fast. And if it goes right back down really fast, that run up like it did here back on October 25th, from obviously $6 to $12, that would be a dead cat bounce if it goes right back down. But if it runs up and it forms that staircase effect like it did back here on October 21st to the 22nd and continued, this could be a point where reversal and strength could be on its way. So what are the key levels here based off the charts? So the first thing to look at is the support, right? One of the lowest points in the day is literally right now in the pre-market, and that is 420, 422, give or take, being the lowest points reached in this downward trend. If that gets broken through, the next point of reference is 395 and all the way down here at 234. Those are the key levels I'll be watching to the downside to see if the bulls try to fight and bring it back up, or if the bears are tearing this one down fairly fast. Now to the upside, the first resistance level the bulls need to break through is 529, and then all the way back up here to 733 to continue pushing upwards to newer highs and new resistance levels, and continuing that staircase effect and momentum to the upside. Those are the key levels right now based off the charts. And there's one more key thing that is pushing this stock either to the downside or to the upside by an indirect correlation, and that is DWAC, guys. Whatever's going on with DWAC, PHUN Funware is also doing as well. And you could see it in the charts, right? When things have been going downwards, it's been going downwards. On the 25th, it had a spike up, and same thing with Fun. On the 25th, spike up. It's been slowly going downwards, and we're seeing that there. We also have this key level here where things are trying to level off. We'll have to see if a reversal can start, or if it's going to begin very soon, going into tomorrow or sometime later this week. Same thing with Fun. Now the thing is the price per share. That's the only difference, and also the market cap and the intrinsic value of each share of what they really do and what these companies are doing. One is the SPAC merger. The other one is an indirect correlation due to speculation that they once provided an app for the Trump campaign, and a lot of people are speculating that they're going to provide services for Truth Social, or that they were the ones to provide some type of service for Truth Social itself in this whole entire setup of the company. Now, this is going to be important to be watching both stocks, how they move, but most importantly, how they move in the charts and what the charts are showing. If you want to get clearer charts, you're more than welcome to join us. You'll become part of the community, gaining access to my daily watch list, weekly watch list, and getting in on early before these stocks take off. That's our goal every single day, to maximize on them. And with clarity in the charts through the volatility, it lets us see where the weakness is and where the strength is. And all of this you can join by joining 42 Vision tier level. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, to the Patreon. Either one will take you over. We look forward to having you join us. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.